Hey everybody, my name is Chris. I'm from Guaranty RV in Junction City, and I just wanted to present this really awesome trailer to you. It's the Forest River Heritage Glen. This one is the 314 BUD. Many people would like to have something that is really spacious, and they don't want to go to a fifth wheel. This is a very good trailer for somebody like that wants to have a really nice, big, spacious floor plan, fifth wheel like, but not have a fifth wheel so they can have a regular truck pull it. Really neat. I want to show you a couple things on the outside that are fantastic. Number one, check this out. You have power stabilizing jacks all the way around it. Just press the button. I kind of like that. Now that I'm getting a little bit older, I like it to be easy. Power tongue jack as well. Check out this outdoor kitchen. Isn't this fantastic? Got a nice awning right here. You've got, of course, your awning that is in front of this whole area. It sets up a really nice place to camp. You get the lawn chairs, everything out. But look at this. You got a beautiful outdoor kitchen, and these guys really know how to do it right. Check this out. Metal. You pull this out. You've got a Capital grill. It's 100% stainless steel, 8,500 BTUs. Really nice. USB chargers, a bottle opener, cupboards and lights, a sink and a fridge, everything that you need to really have just a top-notch barbecue out here, which is really fantastic. One of the things I love about these, now of course you do notice that they've got the outdoor speakers and a place for a TV and your connections right here. So if you want to do tailgate parties, this is awesome. They have the solid steps for people who have mobility issues or concerned about that. These are very comfortable and durable to walk up and down. And check out this main galley. How wonderful is this? You got a nice big slide here. Plenty of room to set people and eat. You've got a pull-out sofa right here so you can sleep a couple people. And this wonderful kitchen. Pantry space. Nice big fridge and freezer. Furrion electronics all the way out. This is something that I really like. Look at that, a little extra place to put some pans and things. And a place you can see this nice big TV. You can see it from all over the coach here, and it does move around so you can see it better from every position. You have a nice, wonderful electric fireplace down here, and even a place to hang your coats when you walk in the door. It's a small thing, but it's seriously nice just to be able to hang your coat right there. Moving along this direction, I want to show you this nice bathroom that we have. And it leads right here to a private bedroom with a nice mattress, storage underneath, storage all the way around. So it's a good size, it's private, it's got its own door right here. And this is one of the things that people love about this trailer. So you have this bunk room back here. So you have a place that you can sleep people right down here, right up here, and even right here, this folds down into another bed. What people are really crazy about is that this sofa pulls up like this. Now you have a couch and a place where you or the kids or anybody can sit down, play video games, watch TV back here. It's a whole extra room to live in, and I think that's ideal for a family. Heck, I would love that. This would be my man cave, right? And this is really cool too. It's got a half bath right next to this bunk room area. So the kids can get up, use the restroom at night, not bother mom and dad any. They even have their own door so they can come in and out all day long without traipsing stuff into the trailer or getting on in the way of anything. They can just get right in and out of the bathroom from the outside. That's really cool. These trailers are really neat. They got wonderful floor plans. We've got several of them. I would love to show you this one or any of the ones that we have out here at Guaranty. So feel free to give me a call. My name again is Christopher Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.